American Express Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually use American Express Online Banking. So stick with me till the end. Open up your browser, go to americanexpress.com. I will make sure to drop a link below. To log into our American Express online account, we can tap on the login option from the top right hand side. You can enter the user ID and password and select the account type. Since it is banking, you can select cards and banking from here. If it is membership, rewards, or merchant account or work account, you can select those. Now, this only works if you've already activated your American online account. Now, in case you haven't set up your online account, you can tap on create new online account button over here. So when you tap on create new online account option, you will be able to simply go ahead and actually enter your card details, such as a 15-digit card number and the 4-digit card ID, and then tap the confirm option to go ahead and then confirm your changes. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically sign up or for online banking and how you can get started to use it. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.